Alright, Mopar people, welcome back to the channel. I'm just Mopar Joe. Today I'm working on the blue truck, trying to get it ready for the big tailgate throwdown in Newport, Arkansas, end of this month. So I'm doing a lot better than I was last year around the same time. But I figured today I've got a little bit of exhaust stuff I wanted to add to it. I know a lot of people like how the truck sounds. I do too. I think it's great and wonderful, but it terribly echoes inside of the cab of the truck and under the truck. So I got online and bought myself a little X-pipe kit. And I've had good luck with the X-pipe stuff before. I think it might actually give you a little performance boost. And I'm probably going to put on my Flowmaster FX mufflers that are straight through instead of, if you want to know what's on here right now, those are good old 18-inch by 3-inch glass packs. So they got a nice sound. They toned it down, but I need to be a little bit quieter. And if it's possible, I'd like to somehow turn these exhausts out. So I'm gonna run to my buddy's shop. He's got an actual lift and a pipe bender. Might be able to help us out some, see what we can do. First, before we do any kind of exhaust video, I got to start the truck, walk around it, and rev it a few times for you. So here we go. Here's my little kit number, if anybody cares. They give you 4 of those, an X, and 2 180s. These 2 pieces here I had left over from something else. And there's my mufflers I was running on my run stand, but they'll be a good donation to this. End up leaving about right here. So then you take your pipe like this, see where you need to go with it, and whack it off. Got to do one side before you do the other, or map it out how you'd like it. I may come back a little further with it, make my life easier. Yeah. The internet says the best position for this X-pipe is 8 to 18 inches from the end of the collector. So that's going to put me right. I need to be hugging tight to get to 18. That's 18. And I went ahead and measured the width from the outside of this pipe to the outside of that pipe, and you see my headers are a little cattywampus. That's okay. But that outside is 25 inches, and I just got the front section of my pipe laid out here. And if I go from here to there, right now it's 24. So all I got to do is slip out a little bit on both sides, and I'll be to 25. So I'm gonna just go ahead and move up here, get me a good cut, and then my X might actually be cocked a little. I don't care. As long as it all plugs in nice, it won't really matter. And it'll get me nice and clear off my frame. See my old ugly welds here from a long time ago. Here's where I'm at back here. There's my little X. I'm gonna be sad whenever I have to pull a transmission cross member, but otherwise, I got room. Rear end's dropped, it's gonna go up. I got buku space on both sides there. It's just tacked in place right now. Butted up pretty nicely there. Nothing crazy. And there it is. I gotta decide, figure out what I'm gonna try to do. I'd like to get at least some pipe over the back axle, kind of get it pointed at least to the rear of the vehicle. Here's what I came up with. So it'll just blow the tire smoke over on Ryan Wing's truck whenever I'm burning out, whatever side he's on. Maybe Chad will be standing over there and Ryan Wing's standing over there. There's my pipe. And it looks like that. Kind of goofy how one header's higher than the other, but it's all right. And we just barely made about 20 inches or something for the X pipe back. So let's start it, see if it leaks. More tolerable in here. Mellowed out some. That's kind of what I was after. Well, just like before, I can now do the walk around thing where you listen to it and kind of tell the difference. I'm pretty pleased with it. When I came over the hill, it broke the tires loose, but I think it would have done that anyway. I was in second gear. A lot more mellow, calm down. Might have to get me some white paint and put on my Dodge there. But I guess that's it. I appreciate y'all watching, and it'll be race day soon, so y'all come hang